This is calculator question number 28. College Board gives us a graph showing a square with one diagonal, and they ask for the equation of the other diagonal, which would be this line, and the diagonals of the square pass through the center, so this other diagonal passes through E also. I can do this algebraically, and I'll do the algebraic method first, and then I'll do a shortcut on the calculator. The slope for line EC is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's this portion of the diagonal they gave you, and that is 2 minus 0 over 7 minus 1, which is 2 over 6 is 1/3. So the slope of the perpendicular, which I'll call BD, is -1 over the slope of the line that we have there. -1 over the slope of VC is -1 over 1/3. If I multiply that by 3 over 3, I get -3 over 1, which is -3. So the correct answer has a slope of -3. It's not C or D. And then the question is the y-intercept here, when I distribute -3x plus 3, is the y-intercept positive 3 or -1? And we can clearly see from a basic sketch that the intercept would be positive 3, so it's choice B and not choice A. Alternatively, I can do this on the calculator. If I ask my calculator to graph choice A, I get a line that looks something like this. The x-intercept is negative. I can clearly see the x-intercept of the line they're asking for is positive, so choice A is wrong. If I ask my calculator to graph choice B, I get something with a steep negative slope and a positive x-intercept, so choice B could be correct. If I ask my calculator to graph C, I get a very shallow negative slope and a high x-intercept. That's way up here. That's clearly not right. And if I ask choice D, the intercept is -1, I get something that looks like that. Again, clearly not the diagonal from B to D. As a third option, I could find the coordinates of B and D and substitute them in to see which equation is satisfied by those, but I think 2 solutions are enough here. College Board often asks this sort of question where there's both an algebraic approach and a faster route on the calculator. If you're good at both, then you can choose the one that comes to mind, and that's often the best answer for finishing quickly, so you have time for the questions that take a lot of thought. Come back soon for my next video. With math, there's always more.